In this video, I want to show you how to open an ENVI project in ERDAS Imagine. For example, if you run an analysis or carry out an image processing in ENVI software and you want to open it directly in ERDAS Imagine, so I'll show you how to get it done. So for instance, I've done a radiometric correction on this image. If I want to open this very same project in ERDAS Imagine to continue other analysis, so I will show you how to get it done. The first thing to do is to save this project, and to do that, come to File, then come to Save As, and here you can see different formats. And in this exercise, we want to save it as ERDAS Imagine so that we can open it in ERDAS Imagine directly. So click on Save as ERDAS Imagine. Then select the particular file you want to save. In this case, it is this reflectance final that I want to save so that I can open it in ERDAS Imagine directly. So after selecting it, click on OK. Then it will bring this ERDAS Imagine output parameters. So here you have to choose the output file location. So click on Choose. Then navigate to your folder where you want to save it. So I want to save it in this very folder, and then give it a name, and I'm going to name it as ENVI project. Then click on Open, and you can see it has captured the name inside the folder I specified. Then leave all these other parameters at default and click on OK. So this will save this project in ERDAS Imagine format. Yes, it is saved. Now let's check it out in the folder. Here is the folder, and you can see the ENVI project. Now to open it, in fact, you can even confirm here the file type is already in ERDAS Imagine format. So to open it, you can open ERDAS Imagine, and from there you load in this project. Alternatively, you can just double click it. If I double click it, it will be open in ERDAS Imagine. You can see it's trying to launch ERDAS Imagine. It's open. You can see it's open, and it's computing the pyramid for in few seconds it will be completed. The computation is done, so you can now click on Close. Now to see the layer properly, just right click the layer here and click on Fit to Windows. Yes, you can see the image, and here at this display here you can see some information about the file or project we open. Recall that in ENVI I did a radiometric correction on this image, and I've saved it as ERDAS Imagine format, and I've opened it directly in ERDAS Imagine. So this is how to open ENVI project in ERDAS Imagine. Thank you for watching.